So is this visible to you? The document is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is Java reflection? So what is Java reflection? You know what is this Java reflection?
No, sir.
So here Java reflection means it is a way to get the content, to know about the contents what is available in the class. Okay, you are just scanning and trying to find out what is available in the class. Okay, so like it is written here, imagine you have a toy scanner and close card box labeled toy. Okay, you have a scanner and there is a box which is labeled toy. Without opening the box, you can't see what's inside. Okay, but if you point your magic scanner at the scanner screen flashes and tells inside this box is a blue toy truck. It has a button called Hong Kong and a little storage slot in the back. Even better, you can press a button on your scanner and it will magically make the truck inside the closed box honk its horn. So in Java reflection is that magic scanner. It allows program to look inside a Java class at runtime, see what variables and methods are inside it, and even execute those methods even it did not know anything about that class when it first started up. Okay, so this is the main definition. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this is one example. Imagine you are building a flexible checkout system for an e-commerce store. Customer can pay using different payment apps, PayPal, Stripe, or Apple Pay. Normally, you would have to write a long, messy list of instructions like this. If user clicks PayPal, run the PayPal code. If a user clicks Stripe, run the Stripe code. But what if new payment method like Google Pay is added next week? You would have to open up on your core code, rewrite your logic, and risk breaking something. Instead, we can use reflection to look at whatever the user clicked, automatically discover the payment method, and run it on the fly. So this part is important. It means this is an automation. Okay, it is a kind of automation. So whatever the user clicked, automatically discover the payment method and run it on the fly. Is it clear?
So please explain this line. Instead, we use reflection.
It will be clear when I show you the code. But the thing is that this is the main point. This is for automation. Automatically discover the payment method and run it on the fly. Okay. If you click on Google Pay, it will automatically discover the payment method and run it on the fly. Okay. It means if you are saying I want to pay through Google Pay, it will automatically find the payment method, the functionality for the payment method. Okay, automatically find out the functionality for Google Pay and run this on fly. Is this clear? This is mainly used for automation.
So
Okay.
run it on fly means
Run it on fly means it means just run it. Okay, it won't uh, wait. Okay, just run the method, whatever it requires. So here is one example. Okay, so that will be more clear to you. Okay, so here we are importing the reflect. Okay, we are importing reflect, which is required, and this is our scanner. Okay, what is the use of scanner class? You already know. Okay, you have done this
Yes, sir, to
scanner
take the input.
to take the event. So if this is the payment processor. Okay, so how many methods it have? The payment processor has how many methods? It has three methods, right?
Three.
Okay. If you try to pay with PayPal, you will get this message. If you try to pay with Stripe, you will get this message. If you try to pay with Apple Pay, you will get this message. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the demo for reflection. Okay. We need scanner because we want to take input from the user. Is this clear? Why we use scanner?
Yes, sir.
Then payment processor object we are creating here. Here we are creating the object for payment processor. And here we are asking the user how they want to pay. Okay, these are the available options how you would want to pay. So let's users type Stripe. Okay, is this clear till now? Suppose the user type Stripe. Okay, that I want to pay with Stripe. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now what will happen here? For the Stripe we have this function, right?
Yes, sir.
So here if you see, user is typing only this part Stripe. Okay, user don't know about this function, full function name. Okay, is this clear? User only knows Stripe. User don't know the complete function name. The complete function name is pay with Stripe. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And we want this function to run. So we have to add this pay with. We had to add pay with from our end. Okay. Stripe is given by user, but pay with we have to add in our end in order to call the function. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is happening here? If you see here, our target method. In our target method, this Stripe is given by a user because users say my choice is Stripe. This pay with this we added. Okay, we add the pay with. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this will become our method, pay with Stripe. Okay, this will be our target method name. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here in the try block, what we are doing, so this line is important. Okay, processor What is processor here? Okay, this is the processor, na?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
So there is a line before the try exception means there is written reflection scanner.
This is just for displaying you that okay, now the process is starting. It doesn't have any logic. It just need to tell you that okay, now the process has started. It is under
Okay,
double
sir.
quote. It is under double quote. Now this is important. Processor dot get class dot get method target method name. So what output you will get here? What output you will get here? And in the next line we are saying get name plus this, and then we are invoking this. So here ultimately what we are doing is from these two we are getting the pay with Stripe. Okay, we will get pay with Stripe. Is this clear? And here we are invoking it. Invoking means we are calling the method. Is that clear?
So please explain again.
Like here, what we are doing here, payment processor. So it will be more clear if I show you. I will try to show you here. So it is how is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So it is saying what is the pay. So here I am giving, it is asking me available payment options. I am giving Stripe. So I will just enter. So it is giving me this message. Charging credit card securely via Stripe, payment success. So I am getting uh, this output. Is this clear? I'm getting this out. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So why we are doing this program then? We can directly do the things, okay? So I want to show you this part. So here I will write, in order to show you well, I will write this. So we will see what output you are getting here, okay? Okay, yes. Okay. So we are getting this output. For this magic scanner, we are getting this output. Is this clear to you? What we are getting here? Is it clear?
No, sir. Can you explain again?
Here we are saying that I want this part. So what is the class name? What is the class name where magic scanner is defined? So magic scanner, let dot method. Sir. Okay. Our target was Stripe, na? Our target was Stripe. Okay. Is this clear? Target is Stripe, na? I give Stripe. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the name of the method which has stripe? Pay with stripe. Is this clear? This is the method, no? Pay with stripe.
Yes, sir.
And what is this method is available in which class? This method is available in payment processor class. Who is public? Void. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what we are doing is we are trying to find out that this the method which is giving us the output. Okay, what is the name of the method what is the name of the method that is giving us the output, and in which class it is defined? Is this clear? Reflection is clear. uh,
Yes,
I
sir.
so it is just like a scanner. You scan and it gives you like there is a box. You don't know about the box, but you put a scanner and it gives you the data related to that box. Okay, although you haven't opened the box, but you want to see the data inside the box. So here, what you are doing, you are getting the data that okay, this is the method name, and okay, this is the class name. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are getting this, and then what you are doing after getting this? Now you are saying magic scanner dot get name. So out of this, what get name is giving you out of all this, if you say get name, it will give you payment with Stripe. It will give you the method name. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So out of this whole thing, this scanner, what is the type of scanner here? This type of scanner is method. Is this clear? The type of scanner is method. And from where we are getting this method? We are getting this method from the reflection class, reflect class. Is this clear? Reflection we are studying now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are giving this. So if you use the method here, so what method is providing to you? With the help of method, you are getting this data. Okay, is this clear? With the help of method, you are getting this data. Okay. Is this clear? So this is your scanner. You scan and you get this data. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Then out of this scanner, once you get this data, you are getting this part. You are extracting this part. Okay, pay with Stripe. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And then what you are doing after getting this dot get name. Okay. You are invoking the processor. So what you mean by invoking the processor? Invoking means you want to execute this method. Is this clear? Invoking processor means you want to execute this method. Okay, you are telling your scanner, okay, scanner, whatever the function is there, okay, you process that function. Okay, is this clear? It means you are saying that okay, whatever the function is there, you execute that function. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
So the method that we use to study means that is similar like function, and the method over here, the concept that is the reflection method. So they both are different, right?
What is different?
So the method which we use to study now, we method is similar like functions,
Hmm.
and the method over here, the reflection function, they both are different.
Yeah, reflection is just to get the details, okay, without creating any object. So if you see here, na, this line, if you now you understand this line better. Just a minute. If you see reflection to look at whatever the user clicked, automatically discover the things and run it on fly.
Uh, Sir, what I'm asking is,
Mhm.
earlier we have studied what is a method. Like simple, we know that it is a block of a code that
Hmm.
is there to perform some specific task
Yeah.
with similar like functions, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And in the reflection, we are again studying a method topic over here. So they
Hmm.
both are different or similar.
No, the concept is different, na. Here we are not creating any object. So in order to use the function, we create the object, right?
They means they both are different.
Yeah, they both are different. Here, what you are trying to do is that you are trying to get the details about the class. Okay, if I told you this is the class, suppose some class is there. Suppose this is one of the class. Okay, suppose this is the class. I want to know the name of the class. I'm saying you okay, give me the name of the class and the methods inside the class. So what you will do, you will say the class name is shopping cart, okay, and the methods that exist in this is these are the methods that are exist in the class. You give me only this part, shopping cart, get total is one method, and these are other methods, okay. And if I told you okay, run this get total, you will run this. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So you are not creating any object. It is just like a scanner. You don't know what is inside this class. You just put a scanner on this, and this scanner will give you this data. Shopping cart, get total, get ID, get username, get item, get created item. Then you say, okay, invoke get total. If you say invoke get total, then it will run this function. It will try to run this function. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, so how you get the details? So here This is the way to get the detail. Like whatever the what is the my method name, I want to know the class to which this method name belongs to. Okay, so it will give me this part. Okay, this is your method and it belongs to that class. Okay, then you are saying, okay, run this pay with processor. So you are using invoke to run this method. Is this clear? You are getting the details and then you are saying, okay, whatever the function is in the class, you run it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So why I am telling to this to you, if you remember, we in the spring we are using beans.
Yes, sir.
So beans is like that. There is a scanner who scan the things and it will create the object of beans to you. Is this clear? When you run your main program, someone behind the scenes works like a scanner. It tries to find out what beans you are having in this file, in your package or in your project. Okay, then it will create a list of them. Okay, these are the beans and these are the methods inside the beans. And it is by default invoking those methods by themselves. Whenever it requires, it invoke those methods. Is this clear? Why we are studying this?
Sir, please read.
If you remember, like we created beans. So those beans, we don't create their objects. Is this clear? We don't create the objects of beans.
Yes, sir.
Then who create the objects? Who create the objects of the beans? Like this is one of the bean. Okay, we are using payment processor. We use payment processor, but we don't create the objects. So if you see here, this is also a bean. So what are beans? Who objects are created automatically, right? We haven't created the object of command line runner. Is this clear? Its object will be created automatically, right?
Yes, sir.
So who creates the objects of these beans? Spring Boot. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Spring Boot, if I Spring Boot will give me this output. Okay, payment processor is one bean and command line runner is another bean. Is this clear? It will create a list. In the this is the first point in the list. This is the second point in the list. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Then after this, Spring Boot will create the object of this. Then it will create the object of this automatically. After scanning the beans, it will create the objects automatically. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what Spring Boot is doing, it is scanning. So wherever it finds @bean, it will pick up that class and it will create the object of that class. Is this clear? It search @bean, it pick up that class, it create the object of the class. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So its Spring Boot is just like a scanner. Okay. Without opening the, without creating, uh, without opening the box, okay, it scans the things. It comes to know that these are the classes, these are the methods inside the class, and if the Spring Boot wants to run the class, run the method, it will use the invoke method. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So now you understand what is reflection. Here
Yes,
we
sir,
are,
clear.
here we are doing the same thing. We haven't created any object, but still we come to know that okay, if the user require this payment method, okay, user require this payment method, but you get the details. Okay, this payment method belongs to this class. Okay, and I have to go to this class and create the object of this part, and if whenever the user require, I will invoke it. Okay, you just give the method name, the scanner will come to know okay that this method belongs to this class. It will automatically create the object for this class, and whenever you require the object, okay, you just use it. Okay, it will run the invoke method to run that functionality. Is this clear to you? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So in a normal way, what we do, we create the functions, we create the objects of the functions, object of the class, and then from of that object we run the function. Here we are not creating any object. Without creating the object, we come to know that okay, this method that user want, this belongs to this class. Okay, and I want to run the method whenever the user require it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so if you see here, repository, you want to find by username. So what happens, what I'm trying to say is like, suppose uh, in a Spring you want to find users. Okay, so Spring will automatically add this suffix. Okay, find by users. Okay, is this clear? Suppose you want to
Yes, sir.
find, you want to find users. So this part is automatically added by Spring. Okay, find by. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So I will show you, like in the coming classes, I will show you that like you defined only this part. This part is fixed. This part is fixed. So that is happening here also. You defined only you give the payment choice. Okay. But pay with this, you are saying only Stripe. But pay with this automatically added. Is this clear? Like find by is automatically added. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Some of the things are very fixed in Spring Boot. Okay. Like some of the suffix are fixed, that is added automatically. Okay, behind the scenes, some suffix are added automatically, or I don't know, prefix or something. It is prefix. It is adding automatically. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir. So what about the point of Google Pay? Will it show the error?
No, no. Error will show only if you type, suppose, okay, Google Pay will give you the error because it is not in the list. We have PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay. Okay, Google Pay is not in the list. So if you give Google Pay, so it will give you this. This is cached by this. No such method exception. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So exceptions you already know now why we use exceptions, so that in case of any
Yes, sir. Yes,
error,
sir.
our program will keep on working and tell us where we are wrong. Is this reflection is clear to you?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Clear.
So what is reflection? What is reflection?
So it is mostly like a scanner
Hmm.
that will look inside the Java class.
Like inside, if you study JavaScript create a DOM, na? It creates a structure like this in JavaScript.
Yes, sir. Sir.
So if you are here and you want to find out the details of your parent from where you are coming, okay, then without creating the object, if you want to see the details of this parent, then you will use reflection. Okay, and if you want to run this child, then also it can run. Okay, it was without opening there is a toy in the box. Without opening the box, you come to know through scanner, okay, there is a toy. And if you want to run the toy, you have the trigger, you have the scanner has the capability to run the toy also. Is this clear? Here the toy represents the object. Toy means the object. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So I hope the reflection is clear to you.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Next is ThreadLocal. What is ThreadLocal? Suppose there is a wall, there is a big wall, and there is a Amazon delivery drivers are there. They are putting their nodes of delivery here in the wall. So this wall is shared. So someone put this node, someone putting is here, someone putting is here. So what will happen? What is the disadvantage of this? If everyone is putting on the same wall, the disadvantage is that someone can override also. Okay, like override this region. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what I want is that every driver has its private area in the wall. Okay, this is the private area of one driver. This is the private area of another driver. So these are the private areas of the drivers. So I require the private areas so that no one tries to override the things. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So in order to have a private memory, in order to use the private memory, you use this thread local. Okay, thread local provide your provide you the private memory. Is this clear? Otherwise, normal threads are having shared memories. Is this clear? But thread local provide you your private memory. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So it is a private clipboard. So no other driver can see it, no other drivers can write on it. Okay. Until they finish their job. Once their job is done, then that private clipboard is given to some other thread. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this example, we are using the thread local. So what is where we are using thread local? Private card. Is this clear? Everyone has its own private card. Like every user will have its own private card. Okay, we cannot share the cards with each other. Na? Every user who is coming to Amazon or Flipkart will have its own private card. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So we make it thread local. Okay, we make it thread local. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And it is static final also. It means this is shared. This part of memory is shared. It has only one object. Okay, you cannot create duplicate copies of this because it is static and final. Okay, is this clear? Only one copy will be created. Okay, is it clear?
Uh, repeat, sir.
It is static and final. Static and final means a single copy will be created, and
Okay, sir.
whoever requires, suppose there is a user one, so user one will get this area, this private area. User two will get this private area. Okay, this private area is given to user three. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So here we are setting the items and getting the items, and we are clearing the items. So these are the functionalities we are using: set items, get items, clear items. Okay, then so this memory is defined in, what is the name of the this memory is defined in this class. Okay, is this clear? So it means if you want to, so this memory name is shared warehouse context. Okay, in order to use this memory, you have to use shared warehouse context. Is this clear? This is the name of the memory. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and this memory has private card. Memory will provide you the private card. So here uh, we are creating two memories, item Alex, item Ema, and what item Alex want is gaming laptop, Ema wants wireless headphones. So this is the item for Alex, this is the item for Emma. So here we are creating a thread, and what we are doing, we are set item. Okay, we are setting the item. Okay, so this will have a private memory. It will create a private memory. Is this clear?
Can you explain again that how it is getting the private memory?
Because we are calling this na shared warehouse. This is our memory area na, the whole memory area. This is our clipboard, shared warehouse context. Okay. Here we want to set the item. Is this clear? You want to set the item. And what item this you are setting here? This is the item for Alex. So gaming laptop. So gaming laptop will go here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, clear.
Just a minute. You are calling this function a set item. This whole is shared warehouse context. You want to set an item here. So if you want to set the item, you will call this function. So it will create a private card for you. So this card is created. This card is created for you. And in this card, you are putting your item. Suppose the item is keyboard. So you are putting keyboard here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So it is your private card. So it means it is not shareable by other threads. Okay. Unless the delivery. So this keyboard has to go for delivery also, na? Is this clear? Is it clear? This
Yes,
has to
sir.
go to
Yes,
delivery.
sir.
So once it's go to delivery, then this memory will be clear. Is this clear? This memory will be clear, na? This card will be clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now someone else can use it. Okay. Now someone else can use it. Is this clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Suppose there are million of users of Flipkart. There are millions of users of Flipkart. Okay, so they provide you, every user have this own cards. Suppose these are 1 million cards. So if 1 million cards are there, so once this user is done with the delivery, then this card will be used by some other user. Okay, you cannot fix it that this card is always belongs to this user. Once it is go out of the delivery, then it removes from your card. Then someone else can use it. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So you want to set the items, you have to put the items in the cart. You want to see the items in the cart, that what are the items available in my cart. If you click on this cart, it show you the items, na? So this is your cart. You click on this. It will show you the items. Okay, these are the items available in the cart. These are the prices available. And this is the total. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So set items, setting the item, getting the items. Clear means remove the items. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
And for setting the items, you need a private cart will be provided to you. Okay, you will have your own private memory. Who will provide you this private cart? The thread. Okay. Is this clear? And the type of
Yes, sir.
memory it will provide is a string memory. Okay. This will provide you the string memory. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So that what we are doing here, it is setting the item for Alex. What Alex wants here? Alex wants a gaming laptop. Okay. So a gaming laptop is set for Alex. That is Alex cart. Then after that, what will happen? When we set this, then what will happen? Then it will go to sleep method, na? It will go to sleep method. So what you mean by sleep here? What you mean by sleep?
Sir, it will take some time.
No, sleep means that your context will change. Some other thread will now work. It means sleep means this will not work for 150 seconds. Is this clear? Sleep means the Alex coding will not work for 150 seconds. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So then if this coding doesn't work, then what will happen? Then we go to some other thread. This is the thread EMA. Okay. Now EMA will set its item. Whatever the wireless headphone, it will set its item. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It means you don't wait. Okay, your processor will not wait for Alex. Suppose Alex put the item on the cart, and for 30 minutes the item is in the cart. So your processor will not wait for 30 minutes for Alex only. Okay, is this clear? If Alex put something in cart and still deciding, so it will not wait for Alex. Your processor will switch to Emma. Is this clear? Your processor will shift to Emma. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here you are starting your threads. You start both the threads. First Alex starts, then you start the Emma thread. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what happens when a process is when dot start happens? What happen when you say dot start? The thread will start running. Okay. Start means the threads will start running. Is this clear? The thread for Alex work and then the thread for Emma will start running. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And join. What is the meaning of join? It means they both will wait for each other. That okay? They both will wait for each other to finish the task. They have their own task. Okay, they both will finish their task for. Okay, is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you run the when you run this now, then you will be able to know what is happening. Okay. Try to run this in your IntelliJ. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the name of the main method here? ThreadLocal e-commerce demo. Okay. So create a class of this. So here you will go, create the class, and then we will copy paste this code. So is this output visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So here, according to this, we run Alex first, then we run Emma first. Is this clear? According to this, we Alex, then Emma. What output you are getting? Emma, then Alex. Okay. So it is decided by the processor who will run first. Okay. Is this clear? Although we write Alex first and then Emma second, but our processor decide, okay, Emma should go first and Alex should go next. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Maybe if you run this second time, maybe this come first and this comes second. So it is decided by the processor who will run first. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is one of the example where you are not running, where this is the example where you are not using this thread local. Is this clear? Below is the code which don't have thread local. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you try to run this program. Okay. Try to run this program and see what happens. Here we are not using thread local. What is the name of this program? Broken thread demo. Okay. You have to create this class. So it is saying duplicate. You give another name. Shared context 2. Okay. Here you are getting the error. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So you give another name by 2. Okay. Then wherever we are using it, we must use here also. So we are saying 2. Here shade context 2. Is that clear? We are using it 2 times. Okay. Like we have 2 people. So they are using it. Alex and Emma. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is written 2 times. One for Alex and one for, so this is written for Alex. I changed to shared warehouse context 2. And one is written for Emma. So I change it to share warehouse context 2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So I will try to run it. You also try to run. So what Alex wants, say Alex wants apple. Alex wants to buy apple. Emma wants X. And at the end, we are getting this error. Okay, we are getting null here. We are getting null here. Okay, why we are getting null? Charging card. Okay, this is, I didn't change na charging context, share warehouse context. We need to change this. Here also I need to change this. I try to run again it. If you see what output you are getting here, if you see the eggs override apple. Is this clear? Is this clear?
So wait.
Okay. Replace this with shared warehouse context with this shared contact warehouse context 2. Wherever you find this shared warehouse context, replace with shared warehouse context 2. Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
So what output you are getting? I think you get the same output. One output is overriding the other. This override this one, right? Are you getting the
No,
same similar kind of output
sir.
you are getting?
No, sir.
No. So what kind of output you are getting?
The MR thread shows null and the LX thread critical error shows mouse.
Null is having, you are getting null because of this part. I was also getting the null because in some part this is not changed. Here if you see, you have to change this part, dot get item. It should be shared warehouse context 2. Have you changed this?
No, sir.
You changed that. I was also getting null. Then I find out that I didn't change the word here. Because we were copy pasting the code, na, so that class was already there. So I changed it to 2, shared warehouse context 2. Is that clear? And this is for Alex. Similarly, you have to change for Emma also. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have to change for Emma also. Null means it is not getting the, we are not able to write the items. Is this clear? Null means this. Nothing is pasted in the memory. So you have to do for Emma also. Check for Emma also.
Yes, sir. Sir, अब हो रहा है.
Now I think you will get, if you run this, you will get one item only. They both are getting one item.
Yes, sir.
Why they are getting the one item? Because the memory is static. So static, what do you mean by static? Static means the memory is shared by everyone. Is this clear? Is this clear? Static means the memory is shared by everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
So first in this memory apple goes, then in this memory x goes. So this x override the apple. Is this clear? This egg override the apple. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you see, if you check, we will check here also. We are not using any, we are using this global shared cart. Is this clear? There is a single cart, we are adding the items in the cart, we are returning the items from the cart. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
But earlier, what we are doing? It is saying that every single thread in the entire application reads and writes to this exact same. Read to write the exact same spot. So earlier we were using this part. Instead of this, we have written this part. We are using, earlier we were using ThreadLocal. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is also static, but it will create a private card for you. Although it is static, but although this memory is static also, it means this memory is shared. But for this user, I give this block. For this user, I give this block. Is this clear? Inside the same memories, I created the separate cards. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So these are the two concepts that I shared with you. The first concept was reflection. Second was what is thread local. now in the next lecture, if you want, I will uh, tell you about the basics of multi-threading in the coming lecture.
Okay, sir.
So when you go to security part, in the security part, Spring Boot security, there is a security context holder. Okay. When you move to Spring Security, there is a security context holder. So this security context holder use the concept of thread local. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This I will highlight the thing. This particular thing I will highlight when I trying to demonstrate you Spring Security. Okay. So what we have done in this session, we have covered these two parts, reflection and threading. Okay. Polymorphism we already seen in our payment gateway, but I will give you one more example of this. Okay. I hope the concepts are clear to you.
Yes, sir.